Healthwatch Dudley listens to local people and involves them in the decisions that are made around health and care. Dudley CVS holds the contract for Healthwatch Dudley, and the service has its own team and independent decision-making board. Healthwatch Dudley has representation in more than 25 decision-making arenas, including the statutory seat on the Dudley Health and Wellbeing Board. This helps to ensure that decision-makers know, understand and respond to the experiences of people that access health and social care services. Last year, Healthwatch Dudley staff and volunteers engaged in more than 3,000 conversations with local people and produced evidence-based reports from what they've heard.
Healthwatch Dudley also supported members of Dudley Youth Council to do their own research into the health experiences of 300 young people. The young people presented their findings to Dudley's Health and Wellbeing Board and received feedback from Dudley Clinical Commissioning Group. The report would inform reception staff training to remove barriers for young people. We also surveyed 800 people who shared their views about how they access local pharmacy services. The resulting report contributed to the development of the Dudley Pharmaceutical Needs Assessment, which will influence the development of pharmacy services. Finally, Healthwatch Dudley grew the Dudley Information Point Network.
The Healthwatch Dudley team has been key to introducing the Community Information Point Network. In partnership with Dudley Citizens Advice Bureau and Dudley Council, Healthwatch Dudley has trained more than 150 information champions to provide signposting to health, well-being and care services, or help people to understand where to go for benefits or debt advice. The network includes cafe owners, local authority staff, pharmacists and community volunteers who are all working together with one objective: to prevent crisis. Two organisations that came on board as information champions are Castle and Crystal Credit Union and Coffee Cups Cafe in Halsowen. Castle and Crystal Credit Union is a community bank serving Dudley Borough and Worcestershire. The ethos behind the Community Information Point Network was a good fit for the credit union, which often gets asked about money management and debt. Castle and Crystal has benefited from being able to access useful resources it can use to support its members. Coffee Cups is a community cafe in Halsowen. It's part of Hallis Homes, an organisation that supports adults with learning disabilities. It made perfect sense for Coffee Cups to join the Community Information Point Network, as the cafe was already registered as a safe place. Safe Places is a scheme that gives vulnerable people a place of safety if they need it when they're out and about in their local community. The cafe is also very busy with lots of regular customers, so becoming an information champion meant they could make an even greater difference by helping people to access services that will improve their lives.